Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I want to share with you a Hobby Lobby haul that I did today. As I'm making the video, but seeing as this video won't be out till January, today's actual date is December 14th. So first off, I picked up this 1960 Ford F100 from AMT. Can't wait to get into that kit. I'm really excited about that one. I have the 68 Shelby GT500. That looks like it'll be a fun kit to build. And I picked up a second 70.5 Camaro. Now, as you're seeing this video, you've probably already seen my build on the one I did previously. And it was a fun build, but this is one of my favorite body style cars, and I just wanted another one to build it a different way. And picked up some glue supplies, you know, standard stuff. I discovered these liquid chrome pens here, markers, whatever you want to call them. I don't know who makes them. Let me look around here. Doesn't really say who makes them. They're just called liquid chrome. But I gotta tell you, I got some pretty good results on it. Actually, the 70.5 Camaro, if you go in and watch the build video, you'll see I detailed the tail light bezels and a lot of the dashboard with this, well, actually, this particular one right here. And I was very happy with the results. They come out nice. It rubs off real easy if you don't let it dry. That's the only real complaint I have about it. So that was cool. And then I picked up a chrome, gold in the same type of thing, liquid chrome. That's the name on it. And then at the, I think this one came from Dollar Tree. This is a metallic marker with a brush point, they call it. So I'll give that a whirl when the time comes. And then this here paint is a metallic dark metal, which I'm going to use, or I already used as you're watching this video. I used it on the build that I did for the Camaro here to make the wheels look as close to that as possible. It was the closest I could find to the actual wheel color, whatever kind of like graphite that wheel is or whatever. But this is the paint I used on that model that in the previous video. As of right now, I haven't used it yet. I just picked it up. And then I picked up a hobby tool set also. They had a decent selection there. My previous kit or tools that I purchased, of course, I just spilled them all over. Are these type that I got off of Temu, and look at, it's almost like, honestly, it's just like thick tin foil. These things are garbage. But these are solid, so I'm hoping to get some good use out of these. I haven't obviously used them yet. I just brought them down here and took them out of the bag. So stay tuned for future videos, and I may be using those on the video. So that's all I wanted to share with you. I say thank you all for stopping by. Hope you're all having a great day and a happy new year, as when the video comes out it'll be the new year already. And that's it. So, as always, I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.